Hello everybody, just bicycling Callan here. Last minute decision to come and have a night at the Bothy in the Arenig Fawr, and then from there I'm going to, weather permitting, try and do Foel, Sian, Lwyd and post Gwyn tomorrow. Not a bad evening. Right, hopefully there won't be many up there, if any. I have got my tent in the car to come back for if needed. See you in a bit. So I'm not alone. There's a couple with their dog, Ollie and Sian, just before me. But I said I'll run back down to the car and get my tent if needed. They've got theirs with them and they've offered to put theirs up, so we'll see. Well, good morning. Cracking night in the Bothy last night with the guys. Ollie and Sian, Jinx, the gorgeous little dog, and Adam and Alki. We woke up to a stunning morning. Sky nice and clear. Cloud probably about 800 meters. So I'm going to go and have a go at doing the two in the Berwyns that I've not done yet before going home. So I will bring you back in a bit. So I'm going to go on a bit of a mission. I'm going back to the car, drive round towards the Berwyns at the other side of Bala Lake, and I'm going to attempt to do Foel, Sian, Lwyd and post Gwyn, and then that'll complete all the Berwyn range. So at either side of the main, well, I say main road, the B road, and so I'll park up. First one's only about a 2-mile hike according to the Nuttall book, but knowing John and Anne Nuttall book, you can add a mile or two on. And then post Gwyn from the same road. It looks like there's a path that will take me up there, so I'll do that as well today. Weather is okay, a little chill in the air, not much wind, clouds down to about 800 metres, so these are just above 600, so happy days. See how it goes. And there it is, Foel cum Sian Lwyd. I'm going to make my way up it now to the top, bag it, and then drive down the road and get post Gwyn done as well. Let's see how it goes. Berwyn range there, the main one. Cad of Berwyn, Cad of Bronwyn, Mulferner. I think that one there might be post Gwyn. I could be wrong, that might be mole sick, but I'll find out in a bit. I'm heading up here. So this looks a lot easier from the road than it actually is. No clear path, so as you can tell I'm out of breath. I need to get there. I've come up this way, the path ends down there, so I think I'm just gonna carry on heather bashing over towards that way, come up and then drop down that way, maybe to the car which is there. So I'm looking back towards where I came, over that way. Whew. Right, not a bad morning. Right. So I'll just crack on now. There it is finally. Oh, this is hard, especially when you drank as much as me last night, but even so, it was just, the path isn't clear or defined on the way up from where I was, so I'm had to heather bash it. And heather bashing coming up is hard going. Right. See you at the top. So I made it. Oh, it's tough. So a few weeks ago when I was doing walk 7-5, I was along that ridge line up to there. I was going to camp up there, but it was too bad. So I made my way back down through that forest back to down to the Hernant Pass. So I went through there and back down. So you can just make out Arenig and the Bothy where I was last night. Cracking views today. Bit of low cloud over there, well, that's not too bad. So I'm going to drop back down now. I want to go past that old building and then up to post Gwyn, and then that's the Berwyns done then. Right, see you back at the car, I think. Oh no, I'll get back over there at that building. Former dwelling or something this is. A little shelter building. Yeah. I have to make my way back down to the car, which is that way. So I'll head down this way and then find this track back down. So I've heather bashed it from the top down there, come across on some of the toughest terrain I've ever walked in my life. That was hard going. I'm nearly back of the car. So I'll have a drink, bit of a break, refuel, and then head up the road to attack post Gwyn. So here we go, mountain number 2 of the day, and I'm heading up to post Gwyn. So last one of the Berwyns, last one of North East Wales. Leaving just 2 left, the Tarrans in North Wales altogether. Don't want to jinx it, but I think this one's relatively easy compared to the last one. Christ, that last one was a killer. They should have some of this down. Look at this. So I'm almost on Craig Wen at 580 metres, and then I'll start veering right then, heading over to Post Gwyn, because this path takes you straight up to Molesic, and I've already done that a few times, so don't need to do it again. Like I said, this is the last one of the Berwyns, and then I've completed North East Wales. Yippee! Still got nice views, weather's still holding out. There's our little bugger, Foel Sian Lwyd. I did see a couple of other people parked up. I think they gave up trying to walk up. It's only for the hardened peak baggers, that one. Right, carry on now. So Post Gwyn's just come into view. There's got a Berwyn up there in the cloud. I'm all sick. I'm heading this way to Post Gwyn. And there you have it, Post Gwyn. Berwyns completed it, mate. Oh, this last bit's been hard as well. Oh, if I never see another soggy heather moorland again, it'll be too soon after today. Oh my word. Oh, what a challenge this has been. Oh, but that's the whole of the North East Wales mountains all completed. Northwest all completed. All the mid Snowdonia. Literally just 2 left to do now, and they're the Tarrans. And then it's mid to South Wales. Elan Valley, Radnor, the rest of the beacons. Happy days. And have a little break. So 665 metres above sea level. There's Molesic, and just below me there, Pistol Rider waterfall. But I'm going to go back that way to the car. Oh, that was hard. Right, see you in a bit. Right guys and gals, that's the end of this one. Thanks for supporting and sticking with me again on another adventure. So that's the Berwyns all completed now. Just 2 left in Snowdonia, and then it's down to mid and South Wales then. But before that, a couple of weeks time I'll be heading up to Ben Nevis, or Glencoe anyway, and Ben Nevis is on the plan to get that boxed off, as well as something around the Glencoe area. So hopefully you'll join me on that adventure as well. thanks again. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you like the content, give the channel a subscribe. Later peeps, thanks again.